Hello everyone, this is Vishali. Welcome to my channel Nava Health and Fitness. Wish you a great health of body and mind. आज की इस वीडियो में हम बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है डिप्रेशन. डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन इज़ अफेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस, जिसका कारण हमारी अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल है, स्ट्रेस, हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस, वर्क प्लेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेना, इनएबिलिटी टू कॉप अप विद द ट्रॉमेटिक एक्सपीरियंस इन लाइफ, जिसकी वजह से साल में पता नहीं कितने लोग अपनी जान गंवा रहे हैं. अगर इंडिया की बात करी जाए तो इंडिया टॉप ऑफ द मोस्ट कंट्री है जो कि डिप्रेशन से सफ़र कर रही है. और ग्लोबली बात करी जाए तो देयर अबाउट 300 मिलियन पीपल वो आर अफेक्टेड फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन. सो इसका तरीका ये है, हम यूजुअली क्या करते हैं, हम मेडिकेशन पे चले जाते हैं जिससे कंडीशन और वर्स्ट हो जाती है. इसके लिए हमारे पास नेचुरल क्योर है, दैट इज़ पावर ऑफ योगा. सो देयर आर सम बेनिफिशियल योगा पोजेस जिनसे डिप्रेशन को क्योर करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी. तो आज हम योगा पोजेस सीखेंगे जो कि डिप्रेशन और स्ट्रेस को दूर करने में मदद करते हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Griva Sanchalan, neck movement. Stand erect, slowly move the head forward and try to touch the chin to the chest. Move the head as far back as is comfortable. Do not strain. Feel the stretch of the muscle in front and back of the neck and loosening of the vertebrae in the neck. Practice 10 times. Inhale on backward movement, exhale on the forward movement. Shoulder rotation. Practice shoulder rotation 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise direction. Make sure the head, trunk and spine remain straight and still. Inhale on the upward stroke, exhale on the downward stroke. Tadasana. Stand with the feet together and the arms by the side. Interlock the finger and turn the palm upward. Raise the arm over the head. Inhale and stretch the arms, shoulder and chest upward. Raise the heel coming up on the toes. Stretch the whole body from top to bottom without losing balance or moving the feet. Hold the breath and the position for few seconds. Trikonasana. Stand erect with the feet more than shoulder width apart. Turn the right foot to the right side, stretch the arms sideways and raise them to the shoulder level so that they are in one straight line. Bend to the right, taking care not to bring the body forward. Simultaneously bend the right knee slightly. Place the right hand on the right foot, keeping the two arms in line with each other. Turn the left palm forward. Look up at the left hand in the final position. Inhale while raising the arm. Exhale while bending. Hold the breath for few seconds in the final position. Naukasana. Lie down, breathe in deeply, hold the breath and then raise the legs, arms, shoulders, head and trunk off the ground. The arms should be held at the same level and in line with the toes. The hand should be open with the palms downward. Look towards the toes. Remain in the final position and hold the breath. Relax the whole body. It is specially used for eliminating nervous tension and bring about deep relaxation. It removes lethargy. Janu Sirsasana. Sit with the legs outstretched and the feet together, placing the sole of the foot against the inside of the right thigh. Keep the left knee on the floor. Slowly bend forward, sliding the hands down the right leg and grasp the right foot. Try to touch the knee with the forehead. Keep the back relaxed and do not strain. Hold the position for as long as is comfortable. Inhale in the starting position. Exhale while bending forward. Sarvangasana. Lie on the back, place the hand beside the body with the palms facing down. Relax the entire body and mind. Contract the abdominal muscle and with the support of the arm, slowly raise the legs to the vertical position, keeping them straight. To return to the starting position, bring the legs forward until the feet are above and behind the back of the head. Keeps the legs straight. It balances nervous and endocrine system. It also tranquilizes the mind, release mental and emotional stress, and helps clear psychological disturbance, boosting the immune system. Halasana. Lie flat on the back with the legs and feet together. Place the arms beside the body with the palm facing down. Relax the whole body. Raise both legs to the vertical position, keeping them straight and together using only the abdominal muscle. Relax and hold the final position for as long as is comfortable. Inhale while in lying position. Retain the breath inside while assuming the final pose. Return to the starting position by lowering the arms with the palm facing downward. Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana, relax, keeping the spine and head straight. While inhaling, raise the arm above the head, keeping them straight and shoulder width apart. Exhale while bending the trunk forward from the hips, keeping the arms and head straight and in line with the trunk. Gomukh Asana. Sit with the legs outstretched. The right knee is directly above the left knee. Stretch the arm to the side and then fold it behind the back. Stretch the right arm up above the head, then fold it over the right shoulder. Try to clasp the finger of both hands behind the back. The spine should be erect. Stay in position for a few seconds. Unclasp the hand. Straighten the legs and repeat the left knee uppermost and the left arm over the left shoulder. Gomukh Asana is an excellent asana for inducing relaxation. It will alleviate tiredness, tension and anxiety. It relieves backache and improve posture by increasing energy, awareness and gently opening the chest area. Bridge pose, Setu Asana. Lie on your back, fold your knees and keep your feet hips distance apart on the floor. Keep your arms beside your body, palm facing downward. Inhaling, slowly lift your buttock, lower back, middle back upward. Hold the final position for as long as is comfortable. Prasarita Padottan Asana. Stand firm with your legs 3/4 feet apart. Inhaling deeply, lift both of your arms to your side and bring them parallel to the floor. Lift your hips and bend more while breathing out to bring your heads between both of your hands. It will increase flow of blood in the brain. Dolphin pose. Come onto the floor on your forearm. Continue to press the forearm actively onto the floor. Hold your head between the upper arms. Walk your feet in. Focus on reaching your hips toward the ceiling and keeping the spine long. Chakrasana. Lie on the back with the knees bent. Place the palm on the floor beside the head with the fingers pointed toward the shoulder. Slowly raise the body and arch the back, allowing the crown of the head to support the weight of the upper body. Lift the heels and balance on the balls of the feet and hands for a few seconds. Then slowly lower the body so the head rests on the floor and then lower the rest of the body. Inhale in the starting position, retain the breath inside while raising the body, retain the breath inside or breathe normally in the final position. Exhale while lowering the body. It is beneficial to the nervous, digestive, respiratory, cardiovascular and glandular system. Shavasana. Lie flat on the back with the arms about 15 cm away from the body, palm facing upward. Let the fingers curl up slightly. Move the feet slightly apart to a comfortable position and close the eye. The head and spine should be in a straight line. Relax the whole body and stop all physical movement. Natural and relax or begin to count the breath. Do not move the body at all during the practice, as even the slightest movement disturbs the practice. A personal mantra may be repeated with every inhalation and exhalation. For maximum benefit, this technique should be performed after a hard work, before evening activity, or to refresh the body and mind before sitting for meditation. This asana relaxes the whole psychophysiological system. It should ideally be practiced before sleep. Relax the whole body and become aware of the natural breath and allow it to become rhythmic and relax. After some time, again, become aware of the body and surrounding and gently and smoothly release the posture.